how to do affiliate marketing without Clickbank. Hey, how's it going, guys? Jackson here with Internet Money Lifestyles, and in this video I want to go over how you can promote affiliate programs and softwares without using Clickbank. Now, I know that whenever you're just getting started with affiliate marketing, most videos, and I even have a bunch on my channel that talk about how to make money with affiliate marketing. And most videos show through Clickbank, as it is a very popular affiliate program. It's super easy for beginners to get started with. All you have to do is sign up, go find a product, get your link, and then you can start promoting said product. Now the issue is that Clickbank is a good place to start, but I want you guys to realize that there's such a greater opportunity with affiliate marketing. There's so many better and different products that you can promote outside of Clickbank, and that's why in this video I want to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing without having to go to Clickbank and use the same products that everybody else is trying to promote. So what exactly are we looking for whenever we're trying to promote an affiliate product outside of Clickbank? Well, the number one thing to look for whenever you're going to promote an affiliate product is going to be something that has MRR. And what that stands for is monthly reoccurring revenue. Because obviously, if you're here on this video, you're trying to start an online business. Yes, it's great to make money here and there with a few sales, basically trying to promote another product, and say you get a sale. It's great and all to get that one sale and make a little money. But what if instead you can make that sale, initially make some money, and then every month that that person is active with the software that you're promoting, you make a commission. So that way, let's say you're making $40 per person a month with a certain type of affiliate program. Then let's say you have 100 people signed up under your link. Well, that's $4,000 a month that you are making passively. And I know what you're thinking, how in the world am I going to get 100 people to sign up? Well, I just want to show you some quick results by somebody who is doing $80,000 a month alone in this type of method, using affiliate marketing and getting monthly reoccurring revenue. So here on the screen, I have from the man himself, Anthony Morrison, and what he is showing is basically his back end to Clickfunnels. And if we take a moment, we can see that he has over 1,300, well, actually over 1,500 active customers through a certain program. And with this, you can see that he is making $85,000 a month with this program. And for those of you that don't know what this program is, it's called Clickfunnels. Now, this is what a ton of affiliate marketers use whenever they're getting started with their business. It's essentially, basically, you can simplify it to a website builder, but a much more simple website. Basically, you send people to your website, which is your funnel, and then you have people put in their email, and then it leads them to a bridge page, which is typically you're some sort of video of yourself that basically, gets your ideal customer warmed up to the offer you're about to give them. And then after the bridge page, you send them to your affiliate offer. Now, if we hop on over here to my computer screen, this is the program that I'm talking about, and it is Clickfunnels. I assume that if you are an affiliate or getting started, you've at least heard of Clickfunnels. And this is exactly what Anthony is promoting, is this right here. Earn up to 40% of monthly reoccurring, in this it says commission, but most of them say revenue, monthly reoccurring revenue. And so Clickfunnels base program costs $97 a month. So if you take 40% of that, then you're making $40 a month every single month that somebody is actively subscribed to Clickfunnels. And then on top of that, Clickfunnels also has a ton of other products that you can promote, and you can earn commissions off the books, off the software. There's so many things here you can promote. And the cool thing about this program is that if somebody were to, let's say you were to go, and let me just show you for an example, you were to go and to promote this book right here. Somebody were to purchase this book through your affiliate link, and then they decide that they want to sign up for Clickfunnels. Even though you just sold them the book, your affiliate ID is going to be hard coded into that person's computer, so to speak. So then if they do go sign up for ClickFunnels after just purchasing this book, then basically, although you only earn $1 a commission for this book, if they go on and they purchase ClickFunnels, now they are actively signed up under your affiliate ID, which is going to give you the monthly reoccurring commissions. And so if we go back to this video, as you can see, this guy's made a ton of money with ClickFunnels, making over $2,000 a day. Every single day, he's made up to $1.8 million with promoting ClickFunnels. Now, I know those results are not typical, but just think about it. If you could get started and you could get a small percentage of that many people. If you don't know, ClickFunnels has over 100,000 active users, and there is a huge audience to reach because everybody is always trying to start an online business and trying to make money, so they need some sort of website builder. And then once people really start to get into making money online, they realize the importance of building out funnels, and the best software right now on the market is ClickFunnels for a funnel building software. There are a ton other ones, but you just can't beat the customer support with ClickFunnels. It's just the best program out there for anybody that's really wanting to start an online business. Now, there's multiple other affiliate softwares out there that do give you monthly reoccurring commissions. You just got to go look them up. You got to go find them, but I highly recommend, if you're just starting out, to look into ClickFunnels, because the number one thing is that we're looking for something that is monthly reoccurring. I can't reiterate that enough. But if you don't want to necessarily promote that, look for a software. There's so many softwares, and in order to run an online business, you are going to need some sort of software of some type. So look for a good software that has these monthly reoccurring commissions, and then basically just start making content around that software. You know, teach people how to use it, educate people how to use it, educate them on the importance of having that software for their business. For me, I haven't made a whole lot of videos over ClickFunnels because there's so many out there, but I think in the near future I will, just to start educating people and teaching people on this platform and why it's so important. And then you can get to the point where you start earning at least even a small percentage of what Anthony Morrison is doing, where he's doing $80K a month. Imagine if you were just doing a fraction of that and you were doing $10,000 a month with that one platform. And if you have no idea where to start, I would highly suggest that you go down the description below and click that very first link, as that is my full-on course on how to get an affiliate marketing business set up and how to become financially free, quit your 9-to-5, be able to work from anywhere in the world. You can work from home, you can work while you're on vacation. And the great thing about this affiliate marketing business, by promoting other softwares that are monthly reoccurring, is that you will become financially free, and it starts to become passive income, because like I said, monthly reoccurring revenue is passive money, money that you've already earned and now you're just making it on a regular basis. So if you want to learn how I'm doing that, building to a $10,000 a month business, go down the description below and click that first link. Like I said, this is the best path to getting to financial freedom and start to build a full-on passive income online affiliate marketing business. So guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this how to do affiliate marketing without Clickbank. And if you are a beginner, I highly recommend doing this, because there are just so many other better things to promote than just Clickbank products themselves. If you guys could do me a favor, and if you got any good knowledge out of this, go ahead and smash that like button, and then also be sure to hit that subscribe button, as I'm posting videos almost every single day on the latest and greatest methods to help you quit your 9-to-5 and to become financially free. But other than that, guys, I will see you all tomorrow for another banger of a video.